Today on the Roy Garage, we get the seats mounted. When it came to sourcing some seats, we went down to our local junkyard and did some digging. And we originally found these seats to use in racing simulator, and one of them actually found its way into a racing simulator. However, I was lucky enough to convince my brother to let me use them. You can do it! Let's get to installing these seats. First thing we need to do is grind off the flange all the way around to get these seats as low as we can. Next, we're going to cut off the tops of this to try and get that seat nice and low. Oh man.
They're nice.
All the way back there.
That is substantially better than it's ever been.
You like that?
Oh, a lot better than it was before.
Since we liked where the driver's side seat sat, we're going to go ahead and finish grinding off the passenger side flange. Oh, so close, so close, so close. Hey! Let's get to cutting that chair or seat or something, whatever. What do you call it? Yeah, let's do that. Sweet, let's test fit this bad boy in there. Oh. Gotta get a little, dude. Oh, dude. I'm digging this, right? Like, there's a lot of leg room here.
You feel good?
Like, I don't know what it is, you know, when something just feels right.
That's what she said.
Michael. Michael.
That's how you have babies.
Now that we have the seats where we want them, we're going to go ahead and start fabricating the mounts. It spins that way, so now I can go like this and chuck stuff down. I think we should go 3.5. It'll stick out a little bit, but not that much. 7. The goal here is to make some flanges to weld to the bottom of the chairs, drill some holes through them, and then weld some weld bolts to the floor of the truck for the mounting points. After taking a closer look at these chairs, we're actually going to go a little bit further and grind off these rivets so our welds can be right on this piece right here. We're also going to go ahead and remove this and that because it's not doing anything for us.
And in case you're wondering how hard it was to get these off, they were some fat beads welding them on there. They were spot welded as well and riveted.
Alright, send it. One more. Then we can throw the grinder away because I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
I think we got to weld those on there now. Then drill the holes. When the heat is on. Hopefully it's not wide enough to where it doesn't fit anymore.
It looks good on this side.
Does it really?
How do you look over there?
Pretty good. I think this is it right here. 'Cause I'm looking straight down at the steering wheel. Steering wheel's probably going to go right here. It's not going over there. I think it's a great spot to stop because, I mean, that came together really well. So might as well stop while you're ahead. All right, we're going to take a break for tonight. But you guys will see the next clips right now. And we're back. And Leroy convinced me to try and mount this first seat in first before we do anything to the second one to make sure there's nothing we want to do different. Or if we do figure out something that didn't work, we do better on the second one. So I'm going to drill the holes for our weld bolt.
Watch the paint.
Dude, watch the paint.
3/16. Last one. All right, there we go. Let's get this in the truck. It's all right. I'm gonna replace this whole floor one day.
What are you doing, Jay?
Marking so I can clean up some surface. When you're watching this video, just don't look right there. Just pretend that's not there, all right? Yeah, just look when you're supposed to look and what you're supposed to look at. I think that's the money shot. Spacing it up.
It's money, dude.
Tacking it, pulling it off.
Oh man, look at those mounts. Those are some nice mounts.
Yeah.
If you want to check out how we welded those mounts in there, click the link in the upper right.
Take me back to the other side. Look at that. I think we might be able to get a weld up in there somewheres. At least a tack. Let's go to the other side. All right. Well, should I get a little tack skis? 2.5. So it's like a between 16 and 14 gauge. 16 gauge is 3B. Wow, 3B. Hey, you guys want to see us unboxing this welder and putting it together? Click the link in the upper right hand corner. Let's see what happens here, huh, bud? Oh. Oh. One hole lined up. They went in. Dang, dude. Some nutties on there. Dude, Jake, get in that thing. pretty sweet. Oh, crap. Oh yeah, the floor is going with it, man. Like this is. Oh, let's go for a rip, bud. For all you welders out there, should I weld all the way around that weld nut, or do you think those 4 tacks that I put on there are good enough? Let me know in the comments below. Everything seemed to go well on the driver's side, so we're going to go ahead and start working on the passenger side. Definitely not as pretty as the other side, but I think it'll do. Alright, can't lose these. Last 4 I got. Oh, I guess I got 1 extra. Is that Dad just like taking his...
On different cars that you around the barn.
Alright, let's get this thrown in there. Almost perfectly right there. You see that?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I think that's where we want to do it. Alright, let's see if it'll go back on. Alright, here we go.
Here it goes.
I'm not on this back one though. Like,
What?
Please, no! 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 No!
alright, remember which one it was? Put in this one. Put in that one. That's pretty close, Lee.
Oh, yeah.
Send it, bud. Let's
Tighten them down.
Well, we made it this far in the video and we haven't smashed any of our fingers, so you should probably smash that subscribe button.
I think Grandpa would approve of bucket seats in here over the bench seats.
No. Say, you guys are wasting your money on that thing. That's just good.
How you supposed to fit a kid in there?
There you go.
Thank you. Let's get some of this stuff out of here. I don't think...
I don't know if I've ever climbed up on this thing before.
Well, let's see it, Lee.
Oh, man.
Can you even do that, buddy? Don't rip your pants.
I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. That's a good place to grab. See, it's nice having that seat there, isn't it? Gee whiz, you really make this thing tilt.
Oh, it tilted the other way now.
Notice how that floor doesn't go boom, boom.
Yeah, it just sinks in the middle.
What are you talking about?
Hit it!
It's pretty fast, bro.
If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to check out the playlist in the upper left and consider becoming a sponsor or member of our YouTube channel to help us keep doing cool projects like these. More information in the description below.
I thought the Mino Camino was cool. This is going to be cooler.
This is going to be ridiculous.